I'm Tom, and I'm in my kitchen here showing you the OXO Good Grips Nylon Spoon. So this is a great spoon for all of your cooking needs if you are using, especially if you're using non-stick pans. So OXO Good Grips always makes really good, high-quality handles on their products. It's the Good Grips concept. So we've got this nice rubberized handle, easy to grip this, and it is made out of nylon that is actually heat-resistant to 400 degrees. So I wouldn't put this in the oven, but you can definitely use it when you're stirring something on the stove top. If you're stirring a soup or stew or something in a frying pan. And again, great thing with this, it is not going to scratch up your non-stick surfaces. So it's nice and sturdy, heat resistant, easy to use on the stove top, but it is that very kind of forgiving nylon material where it's not going to damage non-stick cookware. And I find that it's got a good capacity to it. It's not really a serving spoon. It's more just for, again, cooking those soups and stews. I even will use it sometimes for scrambled eggs because, again, it's nice that it doesn't scratch your cookware. So that's the OXO Good Grips Nylon Spoon. I think it makes a really great cooking spoon for your kitchen.